everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Don't forget to hit that bell button to get notifications when I post, and also like this video and leave a comment or any questions that you have down in the comment section below. So today I'm doing a skincare routine. Now this is not my everyday skincare routine. This is just when I feel like my face needs a little bit, you know, a little life and something like that, you know what I'm saying? So today I'm gonna be using all my products from Repechage. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Repechage before, so I'm gonna be doing their BioLite box treatment. Now I am a licensed esthetician, y'all. Yes, I am. So in my school we used to use their products, and I've actually worked for them before. So today I'm gonna be doing a step-by-step skincare routine with their products. So now the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be cleansing my face, and I'm gonna be using the BioLite brightening cleanser, which is this. So all the products, like the box treatments, they have steps to them, and they say it on the package. So this one is step 1, which is the cleanser. I'm gonna take my scissors, gonna cut that open. Now these packages already come prepared for just one application on one person, so I'm gonna use all of the products that comes in the packaging. So this is about how much that's in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and just warm it up in my hand, and I'm gonna place it. Now excuse my face, you guys, not my face, my hair, because I had braids in, I had box braids in, and I recently just took them out. So right now I'm just figuring out what to do with my hair. Like, I'm just trying to figure out my life, y'all. Like, I want to get another color, but I want to cut. Right now my hair is purple, so I don't know. I don't think I want to do another color. Maybe I should do a wig, something, I don't know. Let me know, y'all. What do you think I should do? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this washcloth, and I'm gonna wet it, and I'm going to use that to take off the cleanser that's currently on my face. Now I'm gonna do step 2. Step 2 is a toner, so I'm gonna be using the BioLite brightening toner, which comes in this little bottle, and I'm just gonna spritz that all over my face. Now I'm gonna do a poll question because I want to know how many people actually uses a toner, so it will pop up somewhere on the top over there. So I want you guys to answer that for me, because I really would like to know who actually uses toner and stuff like that. So what I'm doing is I'm patting in the toner with my hands. I'm just patting it. Alright guys, now for the next step, what I'm gonna do is the BioLite Glycolic Peel, which is in this package with the step 2. So basically this is just, you know, kind of like an exfoliating treatment. So it's like a chemical exfoliant, so it's like brightening, and when you put this product on, it may slightly be a little tingly. That's just it working, because when you feel it, that means that it's working, so it's not a problem. But I would never recommend this for sensitive skin. So make sure that you guys are not sensitive to certain products, especially chemical peels and stuff like that, before you can use it. I'm gonna be taking my brush, but this brush comes in with the box treatment. So if you get any box treatment from Repechage, it will come with this fan brush to apply products with. So I'm actually gonna take that brush, and I'm gonna put it in there in the Glycolic Peel, and that's what I'm gonna use to apply on my face with. Now I'm done with that, so I will see you guys in 5 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 5 minutes. I waited exactly 5 minutes. I put my timer on. So now I'm gonna take my rag with some cool water, and that's how I'm going to remove this glycolic peel. Now comes step 3. Now step 3 is a serum. So it's a BioLite Brightening Skin Correct Serum. So I'm gonna use this and I'm going to massage it onto my face for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to continue to massage that serum in with these silver balls from Repechage also. Now these balls are like silver, the metal, so it stays cool, which helps, you know, it helps with penetrating the product. It helps keeping the skin cool, especially if you're sensitive, and it helps just distribute everything into the pore. And since I'm doing it on myself, I don't have to use my hand. Now for step 4, I'm going to be using the BioLite Brightening Massage Cream. So this is a massage cream that you massage onto the face for about 5 minutes after you put the serum. I need to go get a facial, y'all, instead of giving myself my own facial. Now comes the fun part, you guys. So the fun part is step 5. So step 5 has A and B. So A is the Brightening Pro Mask. So step 5 is the Brightening Pro Mask. One is the powder and one is the mixer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour A in a bowl first, and then I'm gonna pour B on top of A and mix it together. Now also in the box treatment comes this little spatula to use and mix it with. Unfortunately, it does not come with a bowl, so I would recommend that you use a plastic or rubber bowl actually, but I do not have, so I'm just going to use a regular bowl from my kitchen. Now I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna cut 5A, right, which is the powder portion. Sorry you guys, which is the powder portion. So I'm gonna pour it into my bowl. Alright, now I'm going to open 5B and I'm going to pour it in my bowl, which is the mixer, which is the liquid, the gel. So it's like this. Make sure you get all the product out of the bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna take my spatula and I'm going to mix this. Now this is the mask, you guys. So this is my favorite part, especially applying it on a client. It's just so good. Like I just be so happy while I'm doing it. And now you let this sit on for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna just chill out for a little bit and I'll be back. Peace. Hey y'all, I'm back. So it's been about 10 minutes since I've had this on. Now it dries on like, how could I explain it? Like rubber type, you know, like feeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna roll this off on my face. Just gonna open it up first. Now, anything that's left on my face, I'm gonna take my washcloth that's a little bit damp. I'm gonna not wipe, but I'm gonna press. I'm not gonna wipe my whole face. I'm gonna press it onto where I have any of that mask left, and then I'm gonna take it off. But I'm not going to wipe off all of my face, because then that would be a waste of, you know, product, and it would be a waste of what I just did. And that was the last step, you guys. So I'm finished with the routine. Now, the massage cream that you had used before, you could have saved some and used it after you finish putting your mask on, but it's not necessary, because right now you are well hydrated and, you know, brighten up and everything. So this was the whole thing. Now I'm gonna leave all that information in the description bar below, so make sure you guys check my description box, and also don't forget to answer the poll questions that I will have pop up on here about skincare routine and what you do at home and everything like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.